Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, Travis, and I'm back today with a new video. And today, sitting right in front of you guys, is the new Meta glasses. So, Meta made their own glasses, so they're not with Ray-Bans like the last ones was Meta slash Ray-Bans, but this one is just Meta. So, it comes in a blue box. I love the box color. And we got the Meta Fairy, which is classic black noir, and it's like the transition lens. So we're gonna just open this box. We're gonna pull it like this. We're gonna pull this part right here. We're gonna put that on the floor, and then we're gonna pull the other side, just like that. Now the box should slide out, just like this, and we should be able to open it just like this. Okay, so Meta comes with a black glasses case instead of the brown glasses case, just like the Ray-Ban Metas. Meta just made their own glasses. Okay, so what comes in the box along with the glasses and the case? It comes with some instructions, so you can just open this. It shows you how to pair your glasses with the app. It gives you some instructions on how to work the glasses, what the glasses do, what buttons do what, etc, etc. Basically, if you guys want to take a look at that, you can just unfold it and it'll show you exactly how to put it in the case, how to fold the case, and make it a little bit smaller. So this case actually gets smaller. Instead of this size like this, you can fold it in a way that it gets smaller if you're not using the case, it looks like. So we're gonna put that to the side. We get this, which is if you want prescriptions, make these glasses prescription, you can scan this QR code. I'm guessing they'll bring up different eyeglass places, so that's very cool. It didn't come with the Ray-Bans, but if you was familiar with the Ray-Ban Metas, then you knew exactly that you could get those prescription too. But this is cool how Meta put this in the box along with that, so that you could get prescription on these glasses too. Okay, so now it comes to a cloth to wipe your glasses lens, just in case those lenses get dirty. So we're gonna put that on the side, and nothing else comes in this packet. Also on the case, you can see you have the QR code that you can scan to get ready. Meaning, if you're a first-time user of Meta glasses, scan this QR code right here. It will take you to the App Store for Apple users, and for Google users, it'll take you to the Android Google Store so that you can download that Ray-Ban Meta app so that you can get your glasses all set up. Okay, so what I'm excited about is to see how these glasses actually look inside the case. I've seen them in Best Buy. Best Buy has a Ray-Ban Meta section, so they had these on display. So the glasses are a lot different from the Ray-Ban Metas, right? So we unfold that like that. Voila. Just pull this off just like that. We're going to pull this one off and just put that on the floor. So basically, we have a plastic piece that we can just pull to activate the charger, which will activate the charger. As you could tell, the light just showed up. So now the glasses is actually charging on this case. So the case is pretty unique and stuff. It charges a little bit different. So let's just figure out how we can get these things out. So we are going to, I'm guessing we're going to pull it like that. So these glasses are a little bit thicker than the Ray-Ban Metas, and these are the transition ones. So right now it's clear, so when I walk out in the sun, basically it'll get darker because the sun bothers my eyes. So I have transitions on my glasses. You still have the cameras at the front, and now you have a button at the top, so where you press to get Meta, instead of saying hey Meta, you can press it at the top. So you have a Meta button right there. Right now it's flashing the Bluetooth right now, and it's flashing the light right here because we need to pair it. But I like these glasses because of the fact it's thicker, it fits my face, it's clear. My Ray-Ban Metas, I have the sunglasses, so You know, I wear those outside whenever I'm outside for a long time, instead of my regular glasses that's not smart glasses. Basically at the top you see the speakers right here, you see the speakers right there. So what I heard, you can actually bend these and you can adjust it to your liking when you put it on your face. And also behind here you can adjust these too, so you can actually move these so that it fits well on your face too. You know, so these glasses are good. I like the thickness and everything. It's pretty good, pretty good. So I can't wait to try these out to see how it is, if these glasses is good and whatever. But I like the style and stuff. But I appreciate everybody watching my video. Thanks for watching, guys, and tune in for more from me, myself, Trav. Alrighty, guys. Deuces.